The incredible inverted crack and flip. This white-collared mannequin may just be the greatest showman of all. His mating display has to be seen to be believed. He spent months preparing his stage, not a single leaf out of place. Ah, that's better. Finally, it's showtime. A confusing routine of hopping about, strange snaps, and bizarre honking sounds. Female manakins can process visual information 4 times faster than a human. And now, ultra-high-speed cameras replay the action from her point of view. Leaping across his stage, the mannequin snaps his wings together, creating an awesome crack. A crack that can be heard 300 yards away. As he repeats this display, the female's ultraviolet intensifying vision picks out his plumage. Then, to finish with a flourish, the incredible inverted crack and flip. He bows out by spreading his wingtips and flapping as fast as possible. Which, to her, sounds like an irresistible purr. Totally seduced, she joins him on stage for one last dance.